Akungiqalele ngencwadi kaExodus chapter number 3 uverse number 1 ugcine kuverse number 3. Ngingifundela amavesi nje ambalwa. Amavesi nje u15 kodwa indaba yami imfishane bese siyamthandazweni egameni kaJesu. Isihloko sami sanamhlanje sithi, at the backside of your desert there is God. He is the God of the desert. Ehlane lakho kukhona uNkulunkulu. Ayingathi amena ke khona namhlanje yazi. At the backside of your desert there is God. Lithi iBhayibheli uMoses masebe mamukele kwampristi wakwamidiyane, lithi ke iBhayibheli wakuthokozela ukuhlala kwampristi. Lithi iBhayibheli mayesehleli umpristi wamnikeza indodakazi yakhe ukumgcina ekhona la ekhaya. Mose wayeluse izimvu zikaJethro, okusho ukuthi by the time efika kwampristi waqala manje waqhubeka nomsebenzi okade wenziwa ngamantombazana. Make wamvumela wangena, uyama ukwelusa into zakho ebese yakwelusela yena, ngoba yena umelusi omuhle. Athi obhala akozeli, athi akalali, athi ubusuku nemini, athi olondoloza uIsrayeli ukhona ngezikhathi zonke. Lithi iBhayibheli lami uMose wavuka wenza umsebenzi okade wenziwa ngamantombazana. Lithi iBhayibheli lami uMoses njengenjwayelo, lithi wavuka wakhipha izimvu zikaJethro ekumkhuba wakhe wokuthi izimvu ahambe aziswe emadlelweni. But ku chapter number 3 la sifunda khona iBhayibheli sitshela ukuthi wavuka namhlanje waya at the backside of the desert. Wavuka waya Ehlane elingemumva. At the back of your desert there is God. At the back of your desert there is God. At the back of your miserable life there is God. At the back of your situation there is God. At the back of your problem there is God. At the back of your financial struggles there is God. At the back of your unemployment there is God. At the back of your HIV and AIDS status there is God. At the back of your enemies there is God.
Jesus, hallelujah. Thank you, Jesus.
Awutshela umakhelwane uthi kuleli hlane lakho ukhona usomandla. Awukhulume nomakhelwane wakho uthi kuleli hlane lakho ukhona usomandla. Abantu bakubona uyahleka kodwa unehlane lakho. But namhlanje ngizomemezela ukuthi kulo lelo hlane ukhona uJehova. Kulo lelo hlane ukhona umdala wensuku. Kulo lelo hlane ukhona uBaba. Kulo lelo hlane ukhona uSimakade. Kulo lelo hlane ukhona uJehova Jireh. Kulo lelo hlane ukhona uJehova Ebenezer. Kulona lelo hlane.
Jesus.
Lalela mama wami, lalela mama wami, angazi neqhalisile izolo kulento ekade iqhalisa, ungasabuki lento eqhalisayo. Awufuna uJehova kuleli hlane, sengifuna usomandla kuleli hlane. Athobhalayo mayayibhalela nje athi ngokube kwabamthandayo, athi konke, athi kuyasebenzelana, athi kube ngokuhle, athi kulabo ababizwe ngecebo labo. Somebody shout an amen. Somebody shout an amen. umuzwa oyibhalelayo nje eyibhalela engasini kwakhe athi there is no weapon that is formed against you that shall prosper. Yini indaba na Ehlane lami khona uJehova, Ehlane lami kukhona ubaba, Ehlane lami kukhona amaZulu, Ehlane lami kukhona uJehova, Ehlane lami kukhona umdala, Ehlane lami. Ngimuzwa umuntu o-understand ukuthi kulehlane ngilona khona uJehova. Umuzwa abantu bemdabukela umbone shaka kancane. Umuzwa ethi you are Jehovah Jireh, oh Lord my provider, you keep so to the peace. Umuzwa izinto zonakele abantu bethi akekho lo Jehova wakho. Umuzwa ebubula awungizwa amandla la endlini, ngizwa ugobo la endlini, ngizwa inkazimulo, ngizwa uJehova ukhona. Athesehlane umuzwe ethi bethi abantu uyahlupheka lento kusiza ngani athi noma singahlupheka okomsuswana nobusathane ekodukusikina sibonga ukwazi uyasinxusela. He's God of the desert. And at the backside of your desert, there is God. Oh, can you give your neighbor the high five and say, at the backside of your desert, there is God. I'm telling you, to what you are going through, there is God. To what you are experiencing, there is God. Mawufunda incwadi kaHosea ngithi chapter number 5 uthi uNkulunkulu mayikhuluma noIsrael uthi wena ngakwazi ehlane. Ngamanye amagama uNkulunkulu efuna ukuba neappointment nawe ukubeka ehlane. Yini ihlane? Ihlane yindawo ewugwadule, yindawo engenamanzi, yindawo engenayitshalo, yindawo engena shelter, yindawo engenakudla. Mawusehlane, you are in a desolate area, you are in endaweni eyinkinga ongeke ufise ukuhlala kuyo. But every time uNkulunkulu efuna ukuba neappointment nawe ukubeka ehlane lakho nabantu ungelula ukuthi basondele. Kubaleke nalabo bathembile ukuthi bazosondela. No ihlane lakho. Bela ngutshela uNkulunkulu akabafuna abantu abakhalayo, ufuna abantu abakholwayo. Ngoba izinyembezi ziyaxhopha zenza ungasambona uNkulunkulu nasehlane lakho. So every time uNkulunkulu has taught me ukuthi my son, when you see your life in a desert, you must know ukuthi I am around. Why uNkulunkulu mayizoba neappointment nomuntu ambeke ehlane ukuthi ihlane is a quiet place. Indawo yokwazi ukuhlukanisa iphimbo likaNkulunkulu nelezinyoni. Yalithanda ihlane ngoba ihlane is a place of preparation. Uthini Bishop Mount is a place of preparation. Ngizwa kufika abantu bebuza uJohane bethi ungubani uthi I am the voice of the one who is calling in the desert saying prepare your ways for the coming Lord. Lungisa indlela. Ihlane indawo yokulungisa. Lalela sewukhale kwanela. Sewubalise kwanela. Wakhomba abantu kwanela. Wazonda waxolela wenza konke. Kuleli hlane ukhona ubaba. Sengifuna uJehova, sengifuna ubuso bakhe. Ngiyadlula enkingeni yami, sengifuna yena. Ngiyadlula kwipheni yami, sengifuna yena, ngiyadlula kwizolo lami, sengifuna yena, ngiyadlula enkatazweni yami, sengifuna yena. Ngoba kulo leli hlane ukhona uNkulunkulu, ukhona uNkulunkulu. Lalela, angiyazi lento kade ikhalisa sonke lesi sikhathi, angilazi ihlane lakho, kodwa ngivumele ngizokwenza introduction yokuthi in your wilderness, in your desert, there is God. Ma ungaphenduka nje wenza i-turn around, ufulathele lento oyibonayo, ikhona into ozoyibona. Ukhona umbangaliso wakho, ukhona umbangaliso wakho. Sebekuhlekile bakubhuqa, bakhuluma yonke into, kodwa namhlanje ngivumele ngizo restore. Ngicela abantu abasehlane, ngicela abantu abahamba ehlane, ngicela abantu abasogwadulelwanga, ake begijime beze phambili ngizothandaza nabo. Nangulo muntu othi ihlane lami, ngiyalazi ihlane lami. Kule hlane there is no water, there is no provision, there is no protection, there is no deliverance, but I need the man of the desert, the man of this wilderness. Yayidinga le ndoda yasehlane. Sukela ukhona gijima, usangaphambili kwashintsha izinto empilweni yakho. Impilo isogwadula, impilo isehlane, impilo ayikho right, impilo imile, impilo ungathi ayiphambili ayiye emuva. Baba vele ehlane lami, khuluma nabantu abathi baba vele ehlane lami. Ngicela ukuthandaza nawe, ngicela ukuthandaza nawe. Akungiqalele ngencwadi ka-Exodus chapter number 3 uverse number 1 ugcine kuverse number 3. Ngifundela amavesi nje ambalwa, amavesi nje u-15, kodwa indaba yami imfishane bese siyamthandazweni egameni kaJesu. Isihloko sami sanamhlanje sithi, at the backside of your desert there is God. He is the God of the desert. Ehlane lakho kukhona uNkulunkulu.